Today is the day I finally get to clean up those wheels, those XXR 531s. They are chrome, and I need to pop this. I kind of forgot. Oh no, I did not forget. I have my keys right here. Area is a mess. I still haven't cleaned anything. It gets worse, I swear. Hey, you know, I feel like every time I, say it in the video, oh, I just gotta clean up the shop. It doesn't work. It never does. Let's go ahead and get these beautiful things. Tires are gonna be here tomorrow, and the lowering springs are already here. So pretty much, I just gotta bring the camera to work. I'm gonna show you pretty much how to install the lowering springs, and then how to, pretty much, I don't know, mount a tire. I don't know where I'm going with this. Let's go to Austin's. Finally made it at the Austin shop, and man, he just got me even cooler cars here today. We got, it looks like either an S10 or a Sonoma on some Jeg wheels. Yeah, GMC, so like, what, the S15? Man, this thing looks pretty good. Fuel cell in the back. Got some dang nittos. Man, look at the wing. This thing is professional. Oh man, that's nice. Strange shocks. Man, that's a build. I always loved looking at this thing. This thing's pretty cool. Another SN95. Looks like it'd be a turbo build. Man, I really like this one. That Sonoma though, looks pretty good. And there's another SN over here too. Always got them goodies, man. I'm a little jealous, just a little bit. Let's go ahead and get these little wheels unloaded. I'm excited to see how they're pretty much gonna come out. Let's show you a little bit more in depth of how bad the curb rash really is. So let's get these things out, pretty much see the full damage here.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Pretty much, we're not done just yet. I'll probably show you guys exactly what we're working with tomorrow, especially when I put the lowering springs in.
Is this thing on?
No. All right, well, tires just showed up. Lowering springs are loaded. Wheels are inside. Get ready. This is gonna be the best transformation because wheels always change the look of the car. So let's get going. I need to get these installed on my lunch, which is a terrible way to, spend your lunch hour. She's pretty much wrapped up. It's looking so much better than what it used to. It brings out so much. The chrome is a nice touch, especially with the 5.0 badge. It just looks good, okay? Little walk around. I did put the SR Performance 1.5 inch lowering springs on it, okay? Simple install. Oh God. My bumper's messed up now, thank God. Man, does that look good. We're gonna load up the old tires off it, probably sell it, cause I don't need them. But man, and then I did go with the Dunlop Sport Max RT2s. We'll see how they work. They're already a little sticky, so we'll find out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed, and leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you guys are new, and let's get to 1,000. Got any words to say, Zach? No? Are you going to your house? Nice nose. Peace out.
Go for it.
Ready?
Yep.